Hey guys, how's it going? It's Jacob Rothenberg here, and I've been publishing for almost 4 years now. And I'd like to just give a weekly update on how my publishing business is going, along with real estate. So let's cover publishing first, because I think most probably want to hear about that and maybe gain some info. With Amazon, I'm still always active on Amazon. We've had a couple releases this month. With the fiction side of my business, unfortunately, I try to keep that somewhat secretive because I just don't want to give away stats on how my pen names are doing, who I am, all that jazz, just so that I can keep a competitive edge and not have copycatters or be doxxed, get 1-star reviews from haters, whatever. So, on that front, I can't really reveal much, but what can I tell you? I think that fiction is relatively, I would say, not as proliferated as nonfiction with regards to publishers coming in. So, whereas in nonfiction, I think it's kind of like a crapshoot now. You got to get a little bit lucky with your releases or again, have an edge with building an outside audience outside of Amazon to sell books. Um, Fiction still seems okay. So, again, can't give away too many stats there, but we are doing well on fiction. Now, as I've been talking about before, Gumroad. Gumroad is the holy savior of publishing for getting your work distributed outside of Amazon. And I'll be honest with you guys, I don't know yet for sure. Day one, I made $35. Day two, I made 68. Day three, I think I only made 14. And day four is today. So far, I've made zero. That might change. It's only about 3 o'clock here in Nevada. But, well, to be honest, most of the sales come in at night, but we'll see. I'm still learning. I've still got to tweak stuff. But as someone that's using a brand new platform and using a social media platform with no prior experience, I don't know if you can see this, but I've made $104.58 tinkering around in 4 days with zero experience and doing maybe 20 minutes a day of work getting it set up. So, that'll come into works and come into play. But I really want to scale this up and get it consistent. And once I have a system to make more sales daily from it every day without fail, I will see about possibly cutting back on nonfiction and low content on Amazon. So I just love the fact that I can put out content that is shorter on Gumroad. I can charge more for it, and they're not as strict with rules. So it's perfectly fine for me to put out a 10,000 word ebook and sell it for $15 and make $14 as my commission. And I don't have competition from all you cucks trying to copycat the books. Well, there goes my professionalism. But yeah, why wouldn't I play with that set of rules instead of being, I guess, delusional or in denial about the fact that Amazon's getting harder to make money off of? Now, I'm not trying to fearmonger any of you. None of you should quit publishing on Amazon. I'm still publishing on Amazon. But what I'm saying, in addition to it, consider your other options. Okay? So let's get that clear. As far as real estate, I don't know if anyone really wants to know this part of my business, but I've been running paid advertising on getting people interested in Las Vegas properties on Facebook. I ditched the Google ads. I wasn't getting results of that yet, and I'm kind of impulsive, so I switched to Facebook ads, and I'm getting a much better response in terms of conversions with regards to opt-ins. So I've allotted for the next 30 days $250 ad spend. I think I've been running my campaign for 6 days now, and I'm getting about 2 or 3 leads a day. Now, a lead is just someone that has opted into my form saying, here's my name, email, and number. Let me go see your list of Las Vegas properties that are in sale in Las Vegas. It's not really my list, it's what's available for sale. And with that, it's my job to follow up on leads coming in, do the text, do the emails and calls, and see who's interested in buying. And hopefully someone just isn't in buying sooner than later. I'll be honest, it's a tough hassle. It's a tough hustle. It's definitely tough. I've had maybe, I don't know, 9 leads come in, and only one has responded back at all. And of the 9, it's like, dude, I've got this whole automated campaign set up. I've got the text campaign. I've got I made calls. I'm doing the texting and emailing, the property alerts, and I mean, I get it. Not everyone wants to be bothered by someone who could be soliciting them, but hey, it's just the name of the game, right? So I'm gonna keep trying. The supposed conversion rate, meaning from lead to getting a contract to buy, is supposed to be 1%. So out of 100 leads, only one is supposed to actually materialize to a deal. So understanding that, I know I have to just keep trying, keep doing my job with making contact with leads and just playing the numbers game, right? So if you're a guy that's in pickup, out of every girl that talks to you, how many will just sleep with you the same day or night they meet you? It's not going to be 1 out of 5. It's not going to be 1 out of 20 unless you're me. So it's not going to happen. And you got to really play the numbers game. If you have an ambitious goal, like trying to sell a house out to somewhere, helping someone buy a house this month and getting a fat commission for it. So it's what I'm doing. And I'm having fun. I'm not saying I'm scattered, but I'm having fun doing a little bit of everything. I'm in a position with my life where I do make full-time income already online. And if real estate is like my fun thing where I can get 1 or 2 listings a month and get a couple extra paychecks, I mean, I'm happy with that because most of what I'm doing is automated, guys. And that's really the secret to it. I've got automation with regards to software. I've got support in terms of either virtual assistants or working with people on collabs. And I don't work alone, guys. So that's the secret to it. If you want to be able to scale up your business, whether it's publishing, making money online, whatever the hell you're doing, if you want to make more than just a full-time living, paycheck to paycheck, I advise you to work more than just by yourself. I'm not saying you have to sleep with your business partner and make a living by just hopping on with a business partner as soon as you have to. What I'm recommending instead, consider at least collaborating with someone and see if there's a fair way for the both of you to make money. And if at some point you guys are like, well, this is something that I can really see potential in and we work well together, then consider partnering. But if anything you can do with at least automation with regards to hiring a VA or using software and getting a lot of things out of the way, like administrative tasks, can help you. So that's my spiel for today, guys. If you have any questions about publishing, Gumroad, living in Las Vegas, real estate, I'm your boy. Hit me up. I'm always going to be around, and I will see you later. I got to keep working. Take care.